Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
To access the COVID-19 dashboard, please use the following link. Afterwards, click on See the Data. In this video, we'll show you a variety of visual interactions with the COVID-19 dashboard. Let's start with the dates at the left. We can manually filter to a date by clicking here. It will open up a calendar view in which we can select a starting date that we want to see. The same can be done for the ending date over here. If we do not need to manually select a date, we can adjust the sliders here. Notice that all data visuals change with the date that you select in real time. By the map, we can choose to select certain states that we want to see. In this case, we will select New York. Over here, we can select the specific counties that we want to see. We will select a few so that the map filters to those specific areas. Hovering over the areas, we can see a tooltip providing more detailed information. Over by the charts in the pie graph, we can choose to select to filter our view to either male or female data only. If you need to full screen any specific visual, be sure to click on the focus mode. You can see that all the data will adjust to what you select. With the bar graph, we can choose to select a certain age range. With the other pie graph, we can filter the data based on what we select. The options are listed by the key or legend over here. The bottom bar graph allows us to filter our data to a reported symptom that we want to see. Notice that all data will change based on your selections. On page 2, we have some similar features such as a date range, slider, map range, and more. Clicking on the pie graph to an exact symptom that you want to see data for will reflect in the percent graph to the right. For the body temperature graph, you can click to view either male or female data only. Hovering over it will display information for both. On page 3, we can see the number of cases and deaths for a specific state in a much larger view. Filtering to an exact state that you want and hovering over the county will show a tooltip of more in-depth information.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.